Okay, here is the Insta 1X2, the faulty camera that was overheated yesterday, and then it stopped working. I'm going to plug the cable. I plug the cable, it starts blinking. Now when I start trying to turn it on, the red light stops blinking for like 5 seconds, then it starts blinking again. See? I'm going to try to insert the battery. The red light becomes steady, and now when I push the power button, the light just goes away. Nothing happens. I even tried to hold down the button for 10 seconds. I was hoping that I could reset it or something, but it's just dead. Completely dead.